In this video, we are going to see how we can add different applications on the desktop screen, whether as a shortcut or just as an access link to a particular software app. Here's how you can simply do it. So in Windows 11, we'll go to the Start menu and we see different apps right here. If your app is already pinned, you will find here right at the top, and also for all the frequently used apps, you will also see it here. But if you don't see your application here, you click on Show All on the right hand corner and you will see the list of all the apps that are available. So you click on the list and you will see an extensive list of the applications that you can add to your desktop. So once you find that app that you want to add to the desktop, simply head over to that and you just hold it and drag it towards the desktop, and you will see this link option right here. You just leave your mouse and it will be added right away. Now, if you are missing some other essential tools or apps like Recycle Bin, this PC, and something else that comes with the default icons in Windows 11, how we can add that? It's also very simple. On any blank space or white space, basically any empty space, you just right click on the desktop and hit personalize. We choose personalize. We'll go to the themes, that is the third option in Windows 11. Click on that and here are related settings. In here you will see desktop icon settings and we click on that and it will show you all the essential icons here. So let's say you can only see the Recycle Bin but not this PC. What you can do is just enable that. You can enable network or other options like that. And you click on apply and OK. You can also change the icon if you want to change it to something else as well. After that, hit OK and you should be able to see that icons as well on the desktop screen of Windows 11. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.